Hey there! Are you looking to create an animated video with your voice? Look no further because I've got you covered. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to animate your voice in just a few simple steps using Adobe Express. To get started, simply open your web browser and search for Animate Your Voice for free. Once you see the Animate Your Audio for free Adobe Express website at the top of the search results, click on it. If you don't have an Adobe Express account yet, you'll need to create one to access the tool. Don't worry, signing up is free. Once you've signed in, let's move on to the first step, choose a character. The first thing you need to do is choose a character for your animation. You can pick from a wide range of characters, including animals, people, and even robots. Try out different characters to see which one fits your audio the best. Step 2. Add your voice. Next, you'll need to add your voice to your animation. You can either record your character's dialogue or upload an audio file. Your animation and audio recording can be up to 2 minutes long. Once you start recording, you'll get a 3-second countdown so you can prepare for your dialogue. Then, have fun recording your character's voice. Pause at any time and resume when you're ready. Select Done to process your audio and generate your animation. Preview your audio to get your results. Hey there! Are you looking to create an animated video with your voice? Look no further because I've got you covered. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to animate your voice in just a few simple steps using Adobe Express. Step 3. Customize your animation. Now it's time to customize your animation. Preview your audio and animation by clicking the play button or spacebar. Trim the audio at the beginning or end by simply dragging the trim handles. Choose from a variety of backgrounds. You can even change your character. Pick different sizes so you can share to any social destination. Select from a square, landscape, or portrait size. Step 4. Share your new character animation. Finally, it's time to share your new character animation with your audience. Publish your animated content to all your digital channels. Select from preset sizes based on the most popular destinations. Download your video to share across all your channels. If you're on the go, you can quickly and easily make videos using Adobe Express. Trim, resize, change speed, and merge videos in seconds. It's available on mobile and web. And that's it. Now you know how to animate your voice using Adobe Express. Have fun creating your own animated videos with your voice. Hope you like it. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.